Speaking of holidays, a school in Canada. Now I read this section in the paper. It's called Weird But True. Sometimes it's okay. But this, I don't know, is this so weird? A school in Canada has banned celebrating Mother's Day and Father's Day because they are too politically incorrect. And obviously the paper's making fun of this. The Dartmouth Elementary School in Nova Scotia. I never knew that was a real place, by the way. My dad always said, I'm going to ship you off to Nova Scotia. I thought you made it up.
Oh, why would he pick that?
That and Timbuktu, I never believed. I think because it has funny letters. He was a comedian, too. In Nova Scotia, says it has put an end to observances of the two popular holidays because some children have two moms or dads or only one parent. Instead, students will celebrate an International Day of Families so no one feels isolated. What do you think? You're still getting your props. It's not like a religion, you know what I mean? Where if it was, I'd say like, well, that's not you, so you don't get that holiday. But I don't know. I don't have a mother, and you got to remind me.
Well, the two mothers thing, I don't see that as being a problem.
Yeah,
or two fathers thing, then you just celebrate twice as much. Yay, yippee!
But you know
I
what?
guess for Father's Day, if you have two mothers,
I don't know. I miss like my dad died when I was really young, and if that became a thing where there's no more Father's Day, I'd really miss out on giving people shit.
Right.
On Father's Day.
Well, I saw this tweet from Andy, and it says, it was written on Mother's Day. You guys mind not bumming me out by posting about your dead moms? Keep it up, and I'm going to ruin Father's Day for you, because my dad's dead as shit.
Yeah, I like to make people uncomfortable with that.
You know what? I guess one of the problems is now that you can have two moms and two dads is when it's Mother's Day, and the kid goes, I'm going to need extra macaroni. I'm making two. I love you, Mom. I love you. Could you rate number one mom to both of your moms?
I think.
Right?
Tied.
Yeah.
But for the first time in
It's so weird. We tied for world's greatest mom.
Funny we found each other. This
I
is
don't
great.
know. I think every family is going to be different, but I can't speak because I still have both my parents, but
Right.
I don't know what's going to happen to the flower industry.
How did your dad pass away?
He does
Something fun. Tell us about it.
Oh, it's like the most raging fun heart attack. When I don't know, like 2 days before I was turned 9. So it was kind of a bummer birthday.
Is this in front of you?
Yeah, sorta. I didn't really watch though. It was like I woke up and then
I see.
it was immediately
Scooped away.
Yeah, scooped away.
Do you get is this a dumb question? Is Father's Day a real bummer?
No, not really, because
Okay.
I don't even really know. I have a stepdad too that's been around forever,
so who
we just
cares?
kind of it's just say Happy Father's Day to him or whatever, and then I don't know. None of these holidays they're really are for the moms or whatever. So
That's
it's
what I
like,
think. Yeah.
So it's like if you want to make your mom feel a reminder, like, hey, you're a good mom on Mother's Day. If your dad's not around, and if you don't have anyone that is like that, then you're not really hurting anybody. Except, if you want to feel sorry for yourself.
Right.
Well, but at the age of 10, when Father's Day comes around, that wasn't an issue.
You got to pick it up by then. That's what I say. Quit being a pussy.
You're 10. You're in double digits.
Yeah, you're double digits now. You got to be the man of the house.
In some countries, you'd be the cicada gatherer. I mean,
Yeah.
you have man responsibilities.
Yeah.
Well, here's a problem with Kobe Bryant's having a problem with his mom. He gave his mom all this memorabilia from when he was in high school, signed basketballs, jerseys, all this. Now he's the great Kobe Bryant. It's worth something. In fact, 900 pieces worth a total of $1.5 million that his mom had. His mom is auctioning it off. He's saying, no, you can't auction it. That's mine. She's saying, you gave it to me, so now I can do whatever I want. What a fucking mom. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Does she need the money really bad?
You know what? I don't
Is
know.
he giving her any?
I don't know the Bryants, but I'm sure he helped the mom out a little bit. Who's to say, right? But I'm sure, Mom, here, give me the memorabilia back. Here's a couple bones. I can't believe I never thought of you. When they ask me all the time, when you came across money, did you give any to your parents?
Sounds like maybe he forgot a Mother's Day.
Can't blame Canada.
He was also dealing with some shit because Phil Jackson put out a book. And there's like a whole chapter about how much better Michael Jordan is than Kobe Bryant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like we didn't already know that.
Right.
But
It's called Doesn't Need to Be Said,
Yeah.
Chapter 5.
here's another thing that everyone
Just
obviously
saying.
sees. You don't have to be Phil Jackson to know.
This-
You know what, though? We wrote a book with a publishing company, and sometimes they just ask you for stuff.
They just want some dirt.
I don't know. You got to be like, no. And then they ask you 3 more times.
right.
You know, it's really just... I don't know. I remember they said, oh, you need a closing for the book. And we're like, I don't know, the book's done.
Right.
Well, just what tone does the book end in? A horrible one.
Right.
I don't know.
I try to kill the reader.
Who dies at the end?
Yeah.
So she already got an advance on it. That's why there's troubles now from Golden Auctions. And she got an advance of $450,000 that she used to buy a home earlier this year in Vegas.
Wow.
So
It's over. He has to let her do it.
that's what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But what a
let
mom.
go of it, you know?
But what a mom. You'd probably, like, if this is an evil person, if you ask me, then use your evilness to seem kind to Kobe and get even more money. Let me tell you something. If I was Kobe Bryant's mom, I'd be milking him. I'd be a billionaire. I wouldn't have to pull shady shit.
You'd be the right kind of evil.
I'd be the right kind of evil.